Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply disable chat in Valorant. So if someone is like writing and everything and you can really concentrate on the game, it's really simple what you want to do. Go just to write escape, just press escape and you will be here in match. And here you just want to disable everyone in chat or like whoever you want. It's like really simple and really easy, and this is how you do it. So you go, press escape, and then just like disable text chat and everything. Pretty simple and pretty easy. So yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some. And yeah, goodbye.